Alright, so I did this purchase online on QVC. So they were running a special, so I got 3 cameras. But basically we're just going to do a setup for the backyard door. We'll be putting in the camera with the solar panel. So we're just going to do that real quick, show you how easy the process is. Alright, so basically these are a few of the steps you have to do. Download the Ring app, scan the barcode, and then you'll follow through the procedures on the application to set up the camera to work with the app. Alright, so before you start to mount this up, what we're going to do is basically find the battery and let's start charging that up. So we have juice in there. Alright, so they give you the battery already, as the comes with the wire. So you basically plug this in. I guess you can use a phone charger adapter, USB adapter. So you just plug this in. We'll leave this charging for a little while. Alright, so it's going to have the 2 lights, the green and the orange looking colored light. So you'll leave that charging until the green light is stay lit and this orange light is gone. Alright, so you have the camera, so just take this off. So I'll have to move this bracket to the back. I believe it's, yeah, right here. So you'll pop this off. And then this base, once you unscrew this, fits back here and you can mount it like this on the back side. I'll show you that in a second. Alright, so whenever you put it back, when you move it from here to the back end of the camera, make sure it falls in the grooves. There are some grooves that are in here, and it should be on the upside, just like this. And then tighten it down. Okay, so there's the little bottom part right here. You twist this until it pops off. So this is where you'll be putting the battery in. It'll snap into place right there. The metal part of the battery will click right in here. Then you know that it's in there tight. Then you'll screw that back in. Alright, so next thing up is finding the spot where you want it. I'm going to place it right here on the iron gate. I am going to drill it right here, so I'm going to have something to rest on this side and something to rest on this side. So I'll be marking this right here, and I'll be drilling through this iron gate, and so it'll get a good view of my backyard from this corner. Alright, so I got it secured up there. So you find the notches in the back, you meet them up with the grooves and pull it down. So now it's nice and secure, and you can adjust it to where you want it. Okay, so next thing up, as you can tell, the battery's still not in there. I haven't placed the batteries in as of yet because they're still charging. So what we're going to do is, right now, we're going to run the solar panel to a spot further down. All right, so here's the solar panel. Pop this open. So it comes with the wires that connect to the back of the camera. It shows you instructions on how to mount it. So it's basic. You just find where you're going to place it on, and then you start doing the screwing it down, the stand part, and then you attach it. Make sure that it matches to the upside of here. So the last thing here it is. Last thing you need for this thing to fall off and breaking. All right. and you find a spot where the sun is going to be hitting it, or at least where you know your sun usually hits certain parts of the day. So the top port, you pop that top on the on your camera. It has a little rubber grommet on there. Then you place, this part inside. Before I place it up there, I just wanted to show you the box that it comes in. It's the install tools. It comes with the bracket where you place the where you mount this to the wall. I think it's a lot easier when you place it on when you install it on wood than on concrete or brick. But yeah, you'll find a nice spot where you know where the sun hits, and you follow the instructions on make sure that it is matching up with the up part like this, so it won't fall. Make sure it's latched like this. You slide it this way to take it off. So with the gravity, it keeps it up like this. So this will be up. If you turn it around, ring side, this is up, just like this. And along with that, they give you this little fill up, a hex, I believe. And this is if you want to drill into the concrete or brick. We use this. Put these right here. Place these inside the hole that you drill with this drill bit. But we're not going to do that. So basically, we're just going to be finding wood and attaching it to the wall. Okay. Well, basically, it's installed right now. I put it up on the wood right here. Follow these notches, make sure that this is up. Slide it into place. That's not moving anywhere. Alright, so they give you way more than enough wire to run it to your alarm system. I'm placing it over there. So I'm going to be basically pulling it up, running it down that line right there, and dropping it right there where the camera's at. Alright, so I placed it up here. I tucked it underneath here the best that I could. The rest, it's kind of hiding back in this spot right here. I could have been more creative on hiding this, but for now, just want to get it up there. So, doesn't look that horrible. So, there's the solar panel. So certain parts of the day, the sun hits right there. So that's a good spot right there. And this is just some wire that runs inside the house. But we'll place the battery. Actually, I'll check and see how the battery's doing with charging. But it doesn't look that bad. All right, it's not fully charged as of yet, but we're going to go ahead and place the battery in, so we could just continue with the setup, and I'll take it down to charge it up after this video is made. Right.
Welcome to Ring. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
I can't even find the word. Excuse me for 1 second here. There's some grooves. All right, here we go. Found it. So you just tighten it up. On the back, you'll find the markings that it is locked. Okay. That's where it's at right now. All right. I guess some of y'all figured out the problem I ran into. Yeah, that was a bad spot. So I'm placing it right here. I lost this bolt a long time ago, so I'm basically just going to drill into this this metal spot right here, and it's still a good place for the camera to be. And my angle is still almost the same, a few inches off, but still it's still gonna give me the same perspective in the backyard and cover the door at the same time. So this is where I'll be placing it right now. All right, so this is how I have it set up in the backyard right here. So this ain't going nowhere. I got a good view on my backyard. So basically just set it up with the application on your phone, and you should be able to watch them live while you're on the Wi-Fi at home, or you should be able to also watch it live when you're away from your home. My current phone, I'm not sure what my settings is, but it's not catching the video while I'm away from the house, which makes no sense, but that's basically my phone. It's not anything, it has anything to do with the Ring, because I have another phone that I set it up with, and it works just perfectly on that one. So it's my current phone that I'm using. Something is not right, maybe the settings is not right. So but everything works pretty well. So it's not that bright of a day, but right now the sun is also hitting the solar panel, so it's working. It's charging up. I'll probably be disconnecting it shortly so I can charge it up all the way, so I'll have a full charge on it, and then the solar panels will just basically just give it more power whenever it needs it. So now, I mean, it's perfectly set up. I have a good view of my backyard. Any movement in the backyard notifies me when there's movement. There's a chime that you can set also, whichever chime you want to use. There's different ones that you can download. There's some that's on your phone that you can probably utilize too. But I have the front yard set up and I have the backyard now set up. So basically I didn't have to show you the whole how to connect it to your application on your phone, because I already have it set up. So basically it had to update the software in the Ring. Once it updated, I was able to start utilizing it. So basically it's not that difficult to follow the instructions on the application, have it so you can have it all set up. So yeah, this is a good setup for our house. I have one more camera that I'll probably be setting up on the side of the house where most of my windows are. So yeah, I mean, thanks for watching my video. I do other videos, unboxing, basically Star Wars things, and also other things that I find of interest. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, comment down below, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Yeah, have a good one.